Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just you have error on your iPhone when you're using your YouTube, error while loading, so how you can also fix it. So mostly it happens because you just have problems with your internet connection, so just try to close YouTube and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So if you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your YouTube app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here YouTube, and if you see here not open that update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.